Hello guys! Welcome again to my YouTube channel, May Fine Art. Yes! So guys, today is another episode of our review. So we have this product review and I would like to tell you guys about my experience. So this product, the name is, focus. The name of this product is Melascreen. This is Melascreen Depigmentant. So it's from Ducray Laboratoire Dermatologie. So this is in two language. It's Dutch and it's French. So since we are here in Belgium, our country, they are putting everything in two language, guys. So guys, why did I have this Melascreen Depigmentant touches brown localicis local brown pigment flecken. So yes guys, I have this issue like in my forehead here. I have a brown pigmentation here. So this is inborn, so this is birthmark. And I went to my dermatologist last time and I noticed that it's getting more darker. So basically, maybe because of the sun exposure here in during the summertime. So here in our country in Belgium, it's very warm in the summertime. Like sometimes it's getting like 40 degrees, and sometimes you go out, you bike, and even though you wear sunscreen like the 50 SPF sunscreen, you notice that the coloring is the color of your birthmark is more darker. So I have this here and here in my neck. So I went to the doctor and she told me, because that was 4 months ago or 5 months ago, she said we cannot give you any product during the summer because it's not okay. So we should begin going to autumn to the winter. So because the sun is less, she said, it's not so direct and this and that. Okay, so I went back and I told her again, yeah, so maybe it's time to try that product. So this product that I get, I already been using it for more than a month. So this is like 30 ml product, so it's not so big. 30 ml, and this is made in Paris. So it is tested under Dermatological Control Paris. So it's from the company Ducray, the laboratory and dermatology company. So this is made in France, guys, and it's stated here, helps reduce sun-induced hyperpigmentation, and you can apply it morning and evening to cleanse affected areas. So you can apply this in the morning and in the evening after washing all your face. Yes, with the other products that I showed you last time. That is, for me, that's a very effective and I definitely recommend it, guys. So I am using it until now, and I apply it here in my, if you can notice here, and also in my neck a little bit there, and then twice a day, and it reduces and lightens. Normally it should do their work, it reduces and lightens localized brown spots, but since I'm still using it like for a month, I think it's not yet that so effective. It takes time. So everything takes time, right? So how much does this cost? So I'm checking the internet, like it's around 28. So you can check there, you can buy it in your online pharmacy. Pharmaline, here is Pharmaline. And yes, so I would like to share to you the more information about this. This is actually an advanced intensive care Melascreen product. So I'll share. And then the this Melascreen Depigmenting product, this is an intensive care product that contains depigmenting active ingredients such as acylic acid and glycolic acid. So it corrects and reduces local pigmentation, and according to their clinical studies, guys, 84% of it are effectiveness against pigment spots, and 75% lighter complexion, 66% more even complexion. And the clinical study carried out for 4 months on 31 women gives a good satisfaction. It improves the skin, and they observe improvement on the color that it lightens. So practical tests carried out for 21 days under dermatological control on 30 subjects, and this percentage of satisfaction skin texts like lesser brown color, or even the skin is getting more even. Okay, so the brown spots on the face, on the neckline, and on the back of your hands, like here, some people like to make their skin even, so they also put it there. So these marks are caused by, of course, the excessive sun exposure, and the effects of the sun on the skin are compounded by the hormones produced during pregnancy and by the ingestion of estrogen. Like if you're using contraceptive pills, guys, you can notice that you can easily be susceptible to developing flakes in your skin or brown discoloration. And sometimes a kind of mask appears over your face, so, and the aging process can make brown spots even more prominent. So we all know everybody age, so it's not a secret. We all age, so we need to take care of our skin, right? So what are the causes of this hyperpigmentation? Forms of hyperpigmentation, treatment of hyperpigmentation, and other topics about hyperpigmentation, guys. You can check in the website of Ducray, the laboratory dermatological company. They can give you more explanation on it. And of course, everybody wants to have a better looking skin, healthy skin, and the product alone is not enough. So you should always protect yourself from the direct sunlight. You put on your sunscreen protection, guys. So yes, for me, I am still using it until now, and I will definitely continue to use it until I see the effect in my skin. And for the next video, guys, I wanna share to you what are the other product that I use to protect my skin if I use this product. Okay, so for those who are not yet subscribed in my channel, you can always subscribe, and you can always comment down below if you have some question about some products, or if you have the same issues like you want to lighten your skin, you want to use a product to soften or lighten your birthmarks. Then I want to hear your experience, guys. What are the products that you use? You can always drop in below your comment, and what are your experience with a dermatologist. Yes, every treatment that you experience, I will definitely want to know, guys. So for those who are not yet subscribed, once again, please subscribe to my channel, and maybe you have more ideas that you want to share. You can always comment below if you want to ask for other reviews about some products or anything, okay? So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I definitely enjoy talking about the products I use. And for those who have questions, you can always check down below the description if you want to check more of the products of the Ducray Laboratory Dermatological Company. You can always check down below. I will put in the link, okay? Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and once again, have a good day and see you next time. Bye!